initiating with the greatest name of Allah Almighty, who is the most merciful and most beneficent, who is the creator of you, me, and whole this entire world by the grace of Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Honorable Director and all the community members, I greet you with Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
So as you know that today our topic is time is very important. So my dear friends, time is very precious gift that we all have. But now it's depend upon you that how we are spending it, how we are using it. If we will spend it in positive way, then we will get more benefits from our time. If we will not use it in positive way, we will not get its benefit. There are many benefits of time. If you will do your work, if you will do any work on your time, then you can get your achievement, then you can achieve your goal, then you can reach to your success. Means time is giving us chance to create a goal and achieve it. Everyone, time will be pass of everyone. No matter we are rich, no matter we are poor, no matter we are educated, no matter we are uneducated. Time will be pass of everyone. Time will be pass of everyone. But the easy time will be pass of educated people. If you will respect the time, time will also give you respect. If you will not give respect to the time, time will not give respect to you. Means today if you are not doing any work on their time, then tomorrow you can not do. Tomorrow you will also not do, because you will say that I will do next day. Because it will if you will continue this process, means if you will leave today's work on tomorrow, then you cannot achieve your goal. Time is like a teacher. Also we can say time is a good teacher, because it helps us to learn from mistakes. Times also help us learn from mistakes. Means if today we have do any mistake, if today we have done any mistake, so tomorrow we will not do it. So who will teach us? Because time has teach us that yesterday you have done these mistakes, so today you cannot do it. If you will also do today yesterday's mistake, then tomorrow you will also continue this process. Tomorrow you will also do these mistakes. So time is in your hand. Time is a king. If one time will be passed, then it will never back for anyone. No matter how hard work we, no matter how hard worker we are, no matter how rich you are, it's depend on you that today if today you are using it in positive way, tomorrow time will give you many benefits. If you will not use it in positive way, so time will not give you his benefits. Means time will also teach us. If we are not giving respect to our time, and also one other thing is remaining, that time will never remain same. Sometime it will be tough for you, sometime it will be easy for you. So when your time is tough, then you should work hard. Your hard work can make your time easy. No matter how much he is tough, no matter how is your time is tough. In everyone's life, bad time will come, tough time will come. But if you have ability of facing difficulties, if you have ability of facing bad time, then you can reach to your goal. Then you can move easy times, move forward, move to your easy time. So thank you friends. I like to take my place now.